Well, Shehzad is with us right now. Shehzad, if you can complete the point that you were making. Of course, we were listening to your reaction as you have been talking about exactly why did the Congress party decide to scrap this law?
देखिए, आज प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बता दिया है कि कांग्रेस के दांत खाने के और दिखाने के अलग उस समय पर जो इनहेरिटेंस टैक्स, एस्टेट टैक्स था, वो भल मनसाई के लिए कांग्रेस ने नहीं हटाया। 84 में इंदिरा जी की दुखद हत्या के बाद ये बताया जाता है कि कम से कम $1,75,000 की उनकी एस्टेट थी जो राजीव जी और उनके परिवार को जानी थी। तो इसीलिए राजीव जी ने फैमिली फर्स्ट का नारा देते हुए उसको हटा दिया ताकि संपत्ति उनको अपनी पूरी मिले, उनको विरासत पूरी मिले। पर आज यही कांग्रेस पार्टी अंकल सैम ने जैसे बताया है, आपकी विरासत पे डाका डालना चाहती है और 55% आपकी सेविंग, 55% आपकी किसान जमीन, 55% आपकी दुकान, इसको छीनना चाहती है और वोट बैंक में देना चाहती है। ये इनकी असलियत है कि जिंदगी के बाद भी, जिंदगी के साथ भी लूट करो हमेशा। और ये कांग्रेस का जो है वो उजागर हो चुका है प्रधानमंत्री जी के वक्तव्य के बाद।
All right, Shehzad, thank you very much for joining in. That's a BJP reaction coming in. Let's get Congress's Manikam Tagore as well. Sir, good afternoon to you. What do you have to say in the counter that Prime Minister again today has raised the issue of inheritance law and stating exactly why that the Congress party scrapped it because the former Prime Minister wanted to keep all of the virasat with himself?
It's very unfortunate, and we all know that Mr. Modi always wants to divert from the real issues, and the real issues are the joblessness and the price rise, and he is going into a non-issue which the Congress party, particularly Congress party, has abolished the inheritance tax itself. And Mr. Modi's government, particularly Mr. Arun Jaitley and Jayant Sinha, wanted to introduce inheritance tax. It is all well known. Mr. Arun Jaitley, the finance minister of Mr. Modi, and Mr. Jayant Sinha, the former finance minister of Mr. Modi, wanted to have that tax itself. And instead, Modi is blaming Congress. Is a laughable thing. We all know that Mr. Modi is losing, and he is losing very badly. And because of that only, he is doing these kind of things. He wants to divert from the real issues.
But what about the statement, Mr. Tagore, that was made by Sam Pitroda?
Sam Pitroda's opinion is his opinion. It is not the party opinion. We have to understand it. Party, our General Secretary, our communications, Jairam Ramesh has clarified it clearly. Mr. Jairam, party opinion is of Mr. Jairam Ramesh. Opinion is the party opinion.
All right, Mr. Tagore, thank you very much for joining in. However, here is the Congress party that seems to be distancing itself from what the statement that was made by Mr. Sam Pitroda. They're saying that it does not reflect neither the party opinion, neither it is mentioned in the Congress party manifesto. But today in Morena, as the Prime Minister was addressing the election rally, once again he raised the issue of inheritance law. And Mohit, in a detailed way, he tried to actually talk about exactly what could have been the possible reason that the Congress party decided to scrap it.
Well, yes, Amita. In fact, Prime Minister Narendra Modi stated that after the death of Indira Gandhi, the property and her valuables, which had to go to her children, a part of that would also would have gone to the government, given the fact that at that particular time the tax was there, the estate tax was there, and the inheritance law was there, and to counter that, Rajiv Gandhi scrapped the inheritance law. That is a strong attack coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi over the Congress party, and this comes at a time, Amita, as you were also saying, given the fact in the backdrop of Sam Pitroda's statement, how we talked about inheritance law, how exactly the inheritance law is useful, and after that BJP has attacked Congress party and Sam Pitroda, saying that this is what we were talking about, that your money will be taken away from you and it will be distributed to the people who are the vote banks of the Congress party. Now, as of now, we believe that tomorrow is the second phase of elections, and in a way, the Congress party is a bit on a back foot, though all leaders have come out on record, senior leaders, and they have stated that these are the personal opinions of Sam Pitroda. Congress party does not subscribe to it, and their manifesto does not talk about the inheritance tax. But given the fact that how the BJP has latched onto the issue, the narrative that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is trying to bring in, and the statement coming in from Sam Pitroda, it seems this will be a huge issue. And today also we saw that how Prime Minister Narendra Modi clarified that it was Rajiv Gandhi who scrapped the inheritance law, not because in benefit of the people of the country,
right,
but
so from where it all started, because remember it was Times Now's news break yesterday when we started, as far as we've seen the follow-up that has been done in other media outlets as well, but this was where Times Now first broke the story.